Let's be honest, laundry never takes a vacation, even when we do. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling in an RV, or just tired of waiting forever for clothes to air dry, a portable clothes dryer might just be the smartest home gadget you buy this year. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best portable clothes dryers that combine compact design, smart heating technology, and serious drying power. From travel-sized dryers that fit in your suitcase to mini powerhouses that can handle a family's load, I've researched the best options to help you find the one that's perfect for your lifestyle. So let's dive right in and see which one deserves a spot in your home. If you're after a compact dryer that feels high-end, the Rolitwils Portable Clothes Dryer checks all the right boxes. Its foldable design makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, or even RVs, and it doesn't skimp on capacity. You can fit a surprisingly large load in its drum. But what really stands out here is the remote control operation. Yep, you can start or stop the dryer from across the room, which makes it super convenient. The build quality also feels premium, made from sturdy metal alloy steel, and there's a unique UV hygiene system that kills bacteria and refreshes your clothes. It's not just about drying, it's about drying cleaner. If you just want a no-fuss, budget-friendly dryer that works, the generic portable clothes dryer might surprise you. It's extremely easy to use. Literally plug it in, load your clothes, and hit start. The 600-watt motor provides steady, quiet drying performance while keeping energy use super low. It's also one of the most versatile dryers in this lineup, safe for delicate fabrics, cotton shirts, or even dresses. Plus, it folds flat when not in use. No assembly, no tools, just instant drying wherever you are. Weighing just 1.38 pounds, the Sothing Portable Clothes Dryer is literally the size of a travel mug, but don't underestimate it. This tiny powerhouse can dry up to 6 garments at once. With a constant 140 degrees Fahrenheit drying temperature, it gently dries your clothes without shrinking them. And it's whisper quiet at just 48 decibels. You get smart timer options so you can set it and forget it. Perfect for overnight drying in a hotel or small apartment. If portability and convenience are your top priorities, Sothing is the one to pack. Now, if you need something that can handle real loads, not just t-shirts, the KASYDoFF Portable Clothes Dryer is your guy. With 1,000 watts of drying power and the ability to hold up to 28 pounds of clothes, it's like having a full-size dryer, but portable. The timer lets you customize drying time from 1 to 6 hours, and it folds neatly into its carrying bag for storage. It's built tough and designed for multi-person households, and it's a total win for small homes and families on the move. Last but definitely not least, the SCBestuygo Portable Clothes Dryer uses PTC heating technology, which means faster, safer, and more energy-efficient drying. It delivers 360-degree air circulation, ensuring every part of your clothing gets evenly dried in as little as 20 minutes. You can choose between 2 drying modes and use the built-in timer function to match your laundry needs. It's compact, quiet, and incredibly efficient. Think of it as the tech-forward option for people who love performance but hate waiting.